Sunday again, and I'm back here at Marco Polo for the Swiss Sunday Brunch. We're gonna start our lunch. I'm here with Marco of what's your blog again?
The Visual Traveler.
The Visual Traveler. So check out her website. So what's my plan? First, we could probably get some cheese, some cold cuts, then get it on with the meat, and of course more cheese and sausages. I'll probably still visit the lobsters and chili crabs and lechon later, so it's gonna be another fun brunch here at Marco Polo, one of the best places to have Sunday brunch in Cebu.
This is Swiss flavors.
So it's Swissness from A to Z, and look at Jiggy.
Salmon. This is a Swiss salmon.
Swiss salmon, yeah.
That's what it is, a Swiss
look
salmon.
Look at this guy, yeah. Follow him every morning, Jiggy in the morning, from what time?
I don't know, man. I forgot. 6 to 10.
6 to 10. Y101. Always first.
Cause we got it all figured it out. For the both of us, we've been rolling out, top down. When we are together, we're like the fountain of youth. I can hear them talking so far away from the truth. You and me won't take notice of any smooth talk or bad vibes. Climbing up and you know it. You and me, we're staying alive. Alive, forever alive. So hear me out. I'm telling you now, we're gonna go all the way up. Cause we got it all figured it out. For the both of us, we've been rolling out, top down. Telling you now, we're gonna go all the way up. Cause we got it all figured it out. For the both of us.
And Jiggy got his Swiss salmon. Swiss salmon. Marco is feasting on lobsters. And I'm going for cheese and cold cuts. So it's Swiss from A to Z. It starts with letter C. Cheese. My second plate is really all beef. We have the prime rib, the ham, the meatloaf, the salmon, sausages, but some sauerkraut as well as the raclette. So the third plate is the fried rice, the lapu-lapu, the lechon. So for the Sunday brunch, you can actually have wines here. So we have a sparkling wine, a rosé, the white wine, a red wine. So I'm getting the Gabriel Meffre today, so check it out. It's really good with what they're offering this week. When you come here for Sunday brunch, have some wine. Time for dessert. I got ice cream and I got this Swiss Chocolate Mousse. If you want to have the same kind of lunch or dinner experience, you better check it out. This is only for this week. The Swissness from A to Z by Marco Polo.